Working with small business accounting and got an SBA file from a colleague. This is an accounting data file from SpeedBalance bookkeeping software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these SpeedBalance accounting data files. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single SBA file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. SBA files are accounting data files created by SpeedBalance bookkeeping and accounting software. They store financial records including chart of accounts, general ledger entries, customer and vendor information invoices, payments, tax records, and reports used by small businesses for managing their financial operations. SBA files use SpeedBalance's proprietary database format, storing structured accounting data in tables for transactions, accounts, contacts, inventory, and reports. The format includes referential integrity between related records, date-based indexing, and audit trail information following standard accounting practices for record keeping. Technically, the best program for SBA is usually SpeedBalance from speedbalance.nl. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows displays only the file shell, while full content access requires a database application. To force access, right-click your SBA file and select Open With. If SpeedBalance is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If you cannot access the SBA file, no problem. The error is a consequence of the SBA format's specific requirements. Here is a breakdown of the technical reasons your application is failing to recognize it. First, opening in SpeedBalance. Install SpeedBalance accounting software and launch the application. Use File, then Open Company, and navigate to the SBA file. The software loads the complete accounting database displaying chart of accounts, current balances, recent transactions, and providing access to all reporting and data entry functions. Next, backing up data. Always create backup copies of SBA files before making changes. Use SpeedBalance's built-in backup function from the File menu, which creates a compressed backup archive. Store backups in multiple locations, including external drives or cloud storage, to protect critical business financial records from data loss. Finally, migrating to modern software. If migrating from SpeedBalance, export data to standard formats like CSV or QIF using SpeedBalance's export function. Import the exported data into modern accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, or Wave Accounting, which provide migration tools for transitioning from legacy bookkeeping systems while preserving financial history. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.